Hey, how's it going, everybody? Got some Christmas presents. Went and picked up yesterday from John Deere. There's one right here. Brand new 1775 NT planter, 24 row. I'm just getting all the attachments we're putting on here put together, the row cleaners, and we used spiked closing wheels on these. Also got to put liquid fertilizer, all that good stuff on there. We traded in the 3 of our Kinsey 3700s for 3 of these. We've actually been running Kinsey planters before I started working here, actually. But the planters we traded, they were I think we ran those for 6 years, and they were getting a little wore out, so it's time to trade. I'm just putting together all our Martin row cleaners and spike wheels and stuff. So far I got a couple pallets of them done here. I like to get everything all put together first before I stick it on the planter. But yep, those are all the closing wheels. 1, 2, 3 planters worth. There's 12 row cleaners. So yeah, gonna get back at it here. So I got all the row cleaners and wheels put together. I've been working on the planter here a little bit. I put the fertilizer tubes on, seed firmers. Ran the hose up through the unit and up to our little spray tips we put on here, check valve right there. I haven't put the manifolds up there yet or anything like that, but it's a work in progress. Got all the ready to put the row cleaners on. Haven't done that yet, but waiting on my buddy to come help me, because that's really a 2-person job. Of course I could do it myself, but I like to save my back a little bit. Yep, coming along slowly but surely. This is the first planter. I still got 2 more to set up after this. Christmas is right around the corner, so gonna take a little time off and come back and try to finish them up. All right, my helper is out helping people that need it worse than I do, I guess. So I'm still stuck by myself, which is okay. I actually don't mind working by myself, but when you got heavy stuff to lift, it's kind of a pain. But anyway, putting on all these row cleaners. In order to do that, we got to take the coulter little bracket off, which is just one bolt. But you got to take it off and put this little black piece right here, and then stick this back on. Then you got another bracket on the other side, and then it bolts up. So here it goes. The only thing so far I don't like about these planters is that the wheels are in between the units, whereas on the Kinsey planters the wheels were in front of the units, so you actually had room to get in between them and work on stuff. So far that's my only complaint. Other than that, everything's pretty nice. I haven't ran a Deere planter since I was like 10 probably, in my dad's little 4-row planter, which he still has, by the way, and uses. So that was the last time I ran a Deere planter, and so I'm really looking forward to this. Hope they run pretty good, which I think they should. A lot of people around here run these. Yeah, pretty excited about it. Can't beat a Milwaukee either. Kind of have an addiction to Milwaukee tools. Constantly on Amazon buying stuff. My wife gets kind of mad. She says I never buy her anything. But then when I offer to buy her stuff, she complains that she doesn't want it. So I just buy more tools. The reason I don't like these wheels here is that I can't use power tool to tighten these bolts. I gotta use a wrench and ratchet, which is fine. But it'd be a lot faster if I could use my impact. Not much room in here. Got a lot more to go. My help showed up after I got done. "24 row cleaners, got 48 to go." Thanks for the help.
I hope you've enjoyed part 1 of setting up the new 24-row John Deere 1775 NT planter with Matt. I really appreciate his time and taking us through setting up all of the Martin no-till row cleaners. It's certainly a lot of work to set up one of these planters, and Matt has 3 to do, and the farm runs a total of 5 of these big machines when they're working out in the field. In part 2 of this series, Matt's going to take us through the fertilizer setup on the planter, and I think you'll find that interesting as he has to fabricate some parts and run a lot of hoses and set up some manifolds. I'm really looking forward to heading out to the field in the spring of 2020 to show you this big 24-row, 60-foot wide John Deere planter at work, but I hope that you find it interesting to see how the farm gets ready to head out to the field in setting up this new machine. If you would like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.